Basically, I'm just excited about having a new website. So much more me. For example, the color palette. Purple with a little bit green, a little bit yellow. I don't know if you can tell, but those are all colors that I like. This is a one-woman show. I make all the flowers, all of the blog writing, email writing, dorky videos. It makes sense that my business feels like me. The whole goal, you feel comfortable ordering sugar flowers over the internet. And there's Etsy and there's Amazon, eBay. It's very hard to buy sugar flowers over the internet. They're very fragile. There's different colors, different sizes. People are worried about the freshness of them. Also, they're expensive. They take a lot of time. And two, if your flowers break during shipment, I'm gonna help you out. I'm not gonna tell you, you're out of luck, too bad, you should have ordered extra. It's kind of hard to convey that on something like Etsy, this big conglomerate marketplace. The experience that I'm trying to bring to you, personalized, fun, kind of quirky, whimsical, but also sophisticated. And I can't do that on Etsy. On my own website, I can do whatever I want. Another thing that I've done on the website for custom orders, it's a much smoother process. I will walk you through everything, whether you're the baker of the cake or you are the bride, passing them off to your baker. I want to be there every step of the way. Finally have a website that allows me to do that. That's why I'm so excited. I hope you come along for the journey. I'd love for you to sign up. Thanks. Bye.